Here's 111 number 22. It's one of those show problems, so we're going to show the left hand side looks like the right hand side. On this one I kind of had to cheat a little bit. I looked at this, I couldn't remember what this identity was, so I looked it up in my book. Of course there's not one for cosecant, but cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Okay, so then I went and looked in my book. I stuck the 2, that 2 right here, I stuck it up here. But here, let me show you in the book what sine 2x is, because I don't have my formula sheet, but I have this thing in the book looks just like it. So see, it's how it's 2 sine A cosine A. That's what sine 2A is. So this is down here. That's 2 sine A cos, or 2 sine x cosine x, and then this other 2 can hop up here. But then I can reduce it and I can get 1 over sine x cosine x. So that's what I just did naturally. I always do that. I always look at the right hand side first before I start working on the left hand side, so I can kind of see where I might be going with it. But then when I looked at the left hand side, I was like, oh great, because this is secant is 1 over cosine and cosecant is 1 over sine, and so now I have it matching and everything, but I worked both sides of the equation. We want to just work one side, and usually we just pick the left side to work. So how can I go backwards with this? Well, I know that this, when I worked it over here, just in my little mind map over here, I reduced 2, so now I'm going to just show over here that I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 2. So multiply the top by 2, multiply the bottom by 2. It's kind of awkward writing and holding this at the same time. Okay, so why am I doing that? Because I'm kind of just going to follow my steps back up. And then I know sine 2x is the same as 2 sine x cosine x. So this right here, I can just replace it with sine 2x. There might be an easier way than this too. I didn't think of it. I got all excited because I did it. So that's become sine 2x, but then this is just a 2 up here. So that does not look like the right hand side yet. Well, but it kind of does, right? Because cosecant is a reciprocal of sine. So now I can just rewrite it as, let's see, how am I going to write it? I'll let this go out to the side. And then I'll say the reciprocal of sine 2x is cosecant 2x. So I can just write it right here. And then just bring this top part down. Starting to think there might have been a faster way, but hopefully that way made sense, and obviously it worked.